Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to use a large brush to paint a big bird. This is the first time that I've used a large brush for most of the bird, so let's get started. This is the large brush that I'm going to use. I've been using this for all of my other videos, but this is the first time I think that I've used the large brush to paint the entire bird. So this is a bit more advanced because to master using a larger brush is harder. Usually when I'm trying to use the tip of the brush to paint the head and the beak. This bird is called crested myna or Chinese starling. It is native to southeastern China and Indochina. It is a common subject in Chinese watercolor because of its distinctive tuft of feathers on the forehead that looks like a crest. The whole bird is black, but in painting we still have to differentiate between the body, the head, and the back. The other feature of this Chinese starling is the yellow eyes. So I'm going to paint a black dot and leave a tiny white space as the highlight of the eyes, and then paint a thin ring around the eyes. I'll come back to add the yellow color later. For now, I'm going to let it dry first. I'm using a large brush to paint a tree branch for the bird to perch on. I'm using a large brush because I just want it to be a bit more consistent with the large bird. And yeah, this is a size of a medium to large bird. And I've added some fruit onto the tree branches, which I forgot to film. Basically, the color is a mix of yellow and indigo blue to get the green first, and then a bit of orange and red to get the mix. And for the feet, I'm mixing orange color with the black to get the brown color. Now I'm going back to the eyes. The ink is pretty much dry, so I'm gonna just simply take some yellow color and add to the eye. And I'm gonna show you a close-up at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed and wanted to see more demonstration, it would be great if you do so and press the notification button. I'll see you next time.